on this edition of the AUDIOZONE channel.
Y'all saw that? Oh! Oh! I don't know if y'all got to see that. My God damn! It knocked me off the street, boy. Yo! That knocked off my glasses, y'all. Like, y'all saw that? Yeah. Nah. Boosted Lucky's fighting with me, y'all. Cause he can probably the TRX and he think that I'm not gonna drive it. He crazy.
I didn't say
I just jacked his keys and he don't understand.
He not driving it yet.
I just jacked his keys, bro.
I gotta show him.
He's not getting this back.
Hey, don't show him my work ID, man.
No, well, yeah, I'll edit. Man, no, but man, the truck he has, look at, man. I don't even know how to put this out there, but it's just a beautiful truck, man. Every option, every bell and whistle possible. Now, you know, the only thing I can tell you with this is does hard work pay off?
Hard work pays off.
If you would have looked at this 3 years ago, you would have thought about it?
Hell no.
It was a dream.
I don't even think it was out 3 years ago.
No, I'm saying like your vision of what you've accomplished in your life so far.
Nah,
From
man,
the V6 to the HELLCAT, one of the baddest HELLCATs in DFW.
And now we driving a TRX.
A nice and a TRX with all the carbon fiber and everything, yo. I mean, I'm in love with it. Boy, look at this mode button.
Yeah, you get all the different modes from the
custom, mud and sand, traction control off, Baja.
Yeah, everything. Dashboard, performance pages, all of that. And then you got the different race modes and drive modes and all that kind of stuff. The drive modes are pretty cool because you got, you know, your normal custom and stuff like that, and then you got all the street Baja, and then you can go through it all on the dash too.
Yeah, I seen that. It's just gorgeous, man. I love it. Look at this, man. I bought a truck too, but it's not a TRX. I'll tell you one thing, I love it, man. You know what I love about it the most? It's because you guys don't understand how much work goes into having a channel, building a channel, working a channel, and being consistent with a channel. He's putting the work. So in reality, you know what? You know what I'm saying? You worked your butt off for it. You work day and night. Like you work a job and you still do your whole, you know, nighttime editing, and it's late night and you're out there editing, you gotta get up in the morning and you put in the work. So you deserve this. You can just tell they gave it to me.
They gave it to me
for a good deal.
Yeah.
They too. I wasn't driving it well. I guess he lost on that one. And that's, you know, that's not my son, but I call him my son. So, but you know, I'm not gonna do nothing stupid. But you know what? I'm just gonna enjoy the ride. It's a beautiful thing. She is just beautiful. My God, this truck is boosted.
Yeah.
It feels like I drove a TRX. Yeah. I drove a TRX when we went to Oklahoma last time. And yes, but I just, you know, a little bit right here and there. This is an amazing truck. Like this is a blessing.
Yeah.
This is a blessing. This is a big
ain't
blessing.
No joke.
No, this is just a blessing, bro. It's just a blessing here.
Yeah.
I'm loving it right now. I'm gonna go drive my truck today. I'll be like, bro, I don't want that truck no more. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But at least we had the other truck. If we have to go do something and it requires not a nice ass truck, we could take mine.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because this is a toy. This is a car, but this is a toy. So you're not gonna want to be doing big gas cans and shit back there all the time. And you know you gotta pick up wood.
Take care.
Yeah, you bet. Yeah, I'm picking up your truck. I'm gonna go pick up some wood at Home Depot or go grab her. Go do what you have to do. Man, she runs so smooth
this
too,
one
man.
got the bed liner and everything on there, so we don't have to worry about really anything. But
yeah, she runs like a beast. My God.
Yeah, it's really smooth.
This truck is amazing.
The tires that are on there.
No, this truck is amazing. I love it.
Yeah.
I actually love her a lot. I actually love it. I'm enjoying my ride, y'all. In fact, I'm gonna cruise to Oklahoma real quick.
You're gonna need a lot of gas money.
Yeah.
It's about $100 every time to fill this thing up.
I'm about to feel it. I'm about to feel it on that diesel.
Yeah.
We'll see how that thing does. She runs so beautiful. Like you feel stable.
You can't really feel a lot of stuff on the road.
She runs great.
It's just smooth.
It's just very smooth. Like I'm driving a luxury car right now.
All these bumps and everything that you.
I know this road because I drive it every day. But this truck runs amazing. Yo, shout out to Boosted Lucky and the beautiful TRX. So let's see if he lets me do a launch.
Yeah, I'm trying to show you how to do it.
You got to walk. I can drive. Just tell me what we got to do.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna press the launch button. Full brake. And then give it full gas.
Right here. I want to have control of the car.
There you good.
And just full gas.
Let it go.
Oh, this thing moves.
Yeah.
Wow, she moves, man. This thing, bro.
Yeah, that's why you saw me in the video. I was like, I was shocked.
This is amazing.
Yeah.
This is amazing. This is amazing. All right, guys. So I'm about to go buy me a TRX. Right now, you know what I'm saying? I might have to go get me a TRX now.
Man, you're gonna have to take out a pretty penny for it.
Man, I know, but you know what? In reality, she's worth it.
Yeah, it's worth it.
You have not a truck, but you have a truck that's a machine. It's not out there a lot.
Yeah.
It's a unique vehicle. She got power to kick your ass.
Yeah.
And she just
got a lot of power.
If you have to go off road or something, you can do it. You got Booster, you have a truck. Let's fix that. You don't have a truck. You have the truck that everybody wants. And you know what?
Yeah.
Again, you deserve it. There's like a cop pickup here. Like all these buttons
all the buttons.
It's got buttons everywhere. Like my guy, you in here like, you know, you flying a plane, like, you know, launch control and all the things. Man, this is just gorgeous. And I don't know if they saw that, but that red detail was really nice.
Yeah.
Like all the detail in this truck.
All the stitching.
But look at the boosted Lucky edition. I know that I know you talked to me that you wanted it and you accomplished that.
Yeah.
And boosted, you know what? You deserve it. Period, point blank. You deserve it because you're putting in the work. You're putting in the work and you deserve. This is just one of many things to come.
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming.
Stay tuned, man, because Boosted's going to be doing a lot of great things, especially with this TRX. I already know it's not going to stay the way it is. Boosted Lucky, we're talking about this now. You know, no, you Boosted. Look at me. Who you lying to?
I'm not lying to anybody.
Stay tuned to his channel. You tell me if this thing stays anywhere near stock. I doubt it. You know what I'm saying?
We'll see.
Is this going to get the pleasure of having V6 in the back?
We're gonna find out. You know, I was trying to make that happen a little earlier, but my car is still sitting up there because we waiting on some stuff and some people. So
it'll be out though. It'll be out. So when it comes out, the Viper's already getting ready to come out too. So when it gets out, we're gonna go play and see how we're doing against each other again. Yeah. Because it's definitely that's what we do. We test it and we know where we at compared to everybody else. So, but man, I don't even know if this video is gonna make it out there. You know what I'm saying? I really did this for personal reasons, but I'm gonna tell you one thing.
Memories.
I love it. This is memories to me, and this is a beautiful thing. Boosted, you deserve it.
Yes, sir.
I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of you. You've accomplished your goals. You focused. You fought through the adversities.
Yeah, that's a lot of shit that happened.
And you're gonna go through more. But you know what I'm saying? Look what I just went through this year.
Yeah.
My son totaled his car. My nephew totaled his car. My wife fell in the ER. Like, you know what I'm saying? It was just one major hit after another hit. My wife hasn't worked since December 20th.
Man, yeah.
And, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? Thank God we've always done right. And we've, you know, I won't even shoot myself out. I'll give it to my wife for that one. I'm not the dude that likes to save and get things ready. My wife has always been that one. I look at money as I need to flip it. I can't just have money sitting there. I'd rather invest in something and flip it, and that's what I do.
Yeah, and I wouldn't be where I'm at without my mother.
Your mother, shout out to your mother, because you know I know the journey. I've heard, I know him very well, and she wants the best for you. You know what? She's proven it. Yeah. And you know what? This is what family's about. That's more loyalty than anybody. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes we don't see things, understand it. You're growing up, and you start to grow up. Even though to us, you're always our babies. Yeah. We have to kind of help develop you and get you there. And once you start getting to the point, then we start to release a little bit more and more. She wants to make sure you're on the right path, but she wants the best for you. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And she's proven it. And this right here. Yeah, this is a big statement. This is the big statement. Like, okay, listen, I shut up. She loves us all very much. Yeah, she loves y'all very much. You know, moms, and like right now we're dealing with Isaac's case, and nobody knows on the internet about his car, but and it's not anybody's business reality. Yeah, but he gonna be okay. Oh, he's gonna be more than okay. He's coming back pretty strong. Is all I'm gonna tell you. He's you know, he's looking at this as a big opportunity. Yeah, yeah. And I'm gonna tell you, truth be told, I love this Mustang. Yeah, I loved that car. Yeah, I'm not a Mustang fan. In fact, people writing on your video, why is the Camaro for the Mustang? Yeah, I see that. You know, but my question is, in reality, the Mustang is a hell of a platform. Yes, it is. You know what I'm saying? So you know, it happened. It's here. Then we have my nephew crash and total his car. My wife fell into the ER. Was in there 17 days. Yeah, thank God she's okay. Yeah, boy, listen, you don't understand, but you know, the most important thing is we're still standing. Yep, and we will remain standing. In fact, we're stronger. I've actually grown up in this adventure. It makes you tough. Yeah, it made me tough, but not only that, it made me look at life different, because tomorrow's not promised to nobody. Nobody. Like nobody would have thought that from one day to the next, my wife would be done. Yeah, and be dealing with what she dealt with and made it through. Thank God. But what did that happen to me? My question. Yeah. So I started to look at life a little bit different. Now I'm making the smartest decisions, the smartest moves I can make to ensure sure my tomorrow and my family, you know what I'm saying? Make sure that's more important to me than anything else. I don't care about nothing else.
Yeah.
But I don't want my family to suffer.
Amen.
But on this one,
yeah,
look at that. We're stuck here, VIN number. Like, we're not gonna show y'all any of that VIN number because y'all don't need that. But it's a TRX.
Yes, sir.
Congrats. I love it. Thank you for bringing it to me. Thank you for letting me drive it.
Of course.
I know that you weren't gonna let me drive it.
I was gonna let you drive it. I just wanted to.
First.
I wanted to scare him with the launch control first.
Nah, but
because I had it set really low or whatever when he got it. So if I do
I know the numbers changing the RPM.
Yeah.
I know I saw, but even on that, it's still, this is not a race truck. This is
a nice cruiser.
This is a statement.
Yeah.
This is like, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Okay, cool, but you know what? I bust my ass and I earned. This is something. This is the luxury. You pull up places.
Yeah.
Bro, you know what I'm saying? You got a statement, so congrats.
Yes, sir.
I love it. If this video goes out, I'm gonna thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless.
Amen.
Bro, I'll tell you one thing. I'm gonna do a little pool with Booster driving his TRX. Pops is going in the back. Big Chevy fan, but he could become a Mopar fan real quick. This is a TRX, Dito.
Yeah, I know.
No, I don't think you know. This is a TRX. This is a TRX.
Oh, so I mean, I gotta put my seatbelt on.
You better put on your seat. Well, Booster's the driver, so you're good. You want me to vlog it for you, Booster?
Yeah, well, I have my thing.
What you need me to do?
Nothing. I think I have my thing in here. So
Your thing and your thing? I don't know what that means, man.
Mounts for my phone. Oh, I do. Excuse me. I just forgot my
All the coin holders. This car is amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
You should see the car inside.
Those are the stickers I had made for the shop. Sorry.
They're nice.
Yeah, they're really nice. Really, really nice. I'm supposed to put one on the back of the back window, but I haven't been able to do it yet.
I'm gonna put it on the AUDIOZONE.
That's cool with me. Yeah, so this is what I told you to. You already got one though.
Yeah, I got one. I got the setup.
Yeah,
I got the phone thing, but I do have this. I just got one of those.
You can get one of these
from
Walmart.
Disclosed.
Flip it forward. And then have it like this. There we go. See?
Perfect. I'm gonna grab this here from Dad's reaction back there.
Yeah.
Dad, don't scream and start. Don't be doing it.
Alright, so today we're with Jeff and I'm taking him for a ride in the TRX.
The Beast.
The Beast. So we're gonna put this thing in launch control and then give them a taste. Pops is in the back. And I know they kind of nervous, but
Nah, but one thing, I'm not nervous. I trust you. I'll let you drive my Viper. I trust you.
Yeah.
I trust you.
So we got it in custom mode. So traction is off, suspension is in Baja, and it is in sport mode for everything else. But this truck definitely catches a lot of people by surprise and off guard because of how quick it is. And yeah, I love it. And Jeff went for a ride in it earlier. He drove it around and he got to feel kind of like how it is. So
TRX Dodge, baby, Mopar. No
yeah, but
not those Chevy guys back there. Y'all ain't got nothing for this.
Man, honestly, I don't think they do have any trucks for it.
They don't got no truck for this.
Aftermarket truck.
Like
But
stock,
it may spin the tires. So if it spins the tires and it bogs, then we'll have to.
No, we got a couple hits.
Yeah.
Pretty fish. Y'all saw that? Oh! I don't know if y'all got to see that. My
God damn!
It knocked me off the feet, boy. Yo! That knocked off my glasses, y'all. Like, y'all saw that? Yeah. Listen.
He done lost all his breath.
Yeah, but what do you think about the truck, Dad?
Wow, amazing, my God.
That's a Dodge TRX.
Wow. That's a Dodge TRX for you, boy. Wow. And that's at 2000, I think.
Wow.
Yeah, it got different levels, so he's playing with it right now. But boy, I'm gonna hold my phone a little bit more. Cause I'm gonna put my glasses there again and see what happens. Look, I'm not playing, y'all. Look, it's there in the ear, here in the ear, and here. Look, it's there. That's why I walk with them all day. You know what I'm saying? All day, I ain't got no problem with them. Look, moving around.
They came back.
But watch this.
All right.
Oh, they're gonna come back. This is. Boy, yeah, she got pressure.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Boy, listen, let me tell you something. I don't care what nobody says. You see how I took that bump like nothing?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Like, this is just an insane truck. Y'all, I got nothing to say.
That's not even in the
spotless.
side mode.
This is nothing to talk about. Done.